Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer student loan interest documents into TurboTax easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Start by gathering all your student loan interest documents. Locate your IRS Form 1098E, which reports the interest you've paid on your student loans. If you've paid interest on multiple loans, ensure you have a 1098E for each loan. Log into your TurboTax account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Deductions and Credits section from the main dashboard. Scroll down until you find the Education category. Click on Show More to expand your education-related deductions. Look for the option labeled Student Loan Interest. Click Start or Edit next to the Student Loan Interest section. TurboTax will prompt you to enter your student loan interest information. Now, take your 1098E forms and check the amount of interest reported. Enter the total amount of interest from each 1098E form in the designated fields. If you have more than one form, add the amounts together and input. TurboTax will guide you through additional questions about your loans. Ensure you answer all questions accurately to maximize your deductions. Review the information you've entered to confirm it's correct. Once satisfied, proceed through the rest of the tax return process. TurboTax may apply your student loan interest deduction automatically based on your input. If everything is correct, you are ready to finalize your return and e-file. Keep your 1098E forms in a safe place for your records. That's it. You've successfully transferred your student loan interest documents into TurboTax. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.